Euro USD. What does that actually mean? Today, I will make forex code so simple that anybody can actually understand it. Now, I'll be teaching you how to read forex code like a pro, how to understand base and code currency. I will break it down to the minimum percentage for understanding. Now, this is our trade. We're just making money. We're just making money. Let me close. We're just making money. Let me close and leave some running. Just making money. So let me leave the remaining ones. Yes, this is the trade. This is a trade. Seeing that we're actually making quite a lot of profit. We're making quite a lot of profit. Now, I want to teach you code today, and you will understand it to the minimum level. Now, in forex, we are always comparing two currencies. One is actually the base currency, and the other is the code currency. We have the base currency and the code currency. Now, for example, we're having the Euro USD. We're having the Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, let's even get there. Now, is selling. Euro USD is selling. Now, you see something like Euro USD, and you will see 1.105 something, which signifies the dollar. Now, look at it. Look at it. Now, this is it. This is what I'm talking about here. You see, at this point, we're having 1.15125. Now, this is what it means. For you to be able to understand this, you need to understand which one is a code currency and which one is a base currency. Now, the first currency is always the base currency. Now, if I say, sorry, please, if I say Euro USD, Euro is actually the base currency. Euro is the base currency, while the second currency is actually the code currency. Now, for example, when this number here increases, that means if we are going for a buy, when it increases, it means that the base currency, which is the first currency, is getting stronger. That means euro is getting stronger. But when it is selling, it means euro is getting weaker and USD is getting what? Stronger. For example, look at this trade that we are in now. Look at this trade that we are in. Euro AUD. That's Canadian dollars. Now, it's now telling us that euro has been strong. That's why we saw the buy. Euro has been strong. That's why we went for what? We went for a buy. You get it? Euro, which means that euro as of now, it is $1.76988 against Canadian dollars. That's AUD. Sorry, against AUD, not Canadian dollar, sorry, against AUD. So we'll see that the base code is the first, and then the second is actually the code currency. Euro is actually the base code, and then the AUD is actually the code currency. Now, let's move further so we'll understand this. Now, let's say that Euro AUD moves from 1.1050 to 1.1100. It means that we have moved, or we have gained 50 pips increase, meaning that euro is what? Is strengthening. You get it? It means that euro is what? Strengthened. And that is what? That is 50 pips. Let me make this. Okay, let's go back to euro USD. Let me use this is I'm not on trade on that. Now look at it. Um I want us to understand this simple calculation. Look at this place. Look at this place. Understand this simple calculation, please. Now look at what I'm going to do. Now, for example, let me go to my calculator. Now, for example, Euro USD move from 1.1050. It moved to it moves to 1.1100. This means that it has gone 50 piece. Okay, let me reverse it the other way. Let me reverse it. Let me reverse it. Minus 1.1050. It means that it has gone. Now, the major thing you are looking at the three last three zeros. Trying to minus it, but it's giving me funny this thing. The last three zeros. Concentrate on the last three zeros. Now look at it. I've removed the 1 point. I've removed the 1 point. Look at it. You see that it has gained what? 50 pips. Now look at. Let's calculate now our so that we'll know how many pips we have done. Now, for example, now look at it. We started from here and we ended up. Let's say we are now here, which is 1.770. Let me do it. Okay, let's say 77069. 77069 minus 77069 minus we started from 76062 76062 76062. Oh, sorry. We actually went on. We are now 1000 pips. 1000 plus pips. It's 1000 plus pips. Trying to get it. So you see. But I make mistake and cancel it. 77078. 7. Let's start with 77078 minus 76062. 76062. Now 1016 word pips. Now, if you buy the pair, you are actually buying euro and selling what? Dollars. Now look at it. Now at this place, we are buying euro and selling dollars. That's for USD, euro USD. Now what we are doing now, if I want to enter this trade now, it means that we're actually buying dollar and selling euro. We are buying dollar because it's going down. We are buying dollar and we are selling. We are buying dollar and we are selling euro. And then if it's going up, it means that if it's going up, it means that sorry, sorry, please don't get confused. Now, if we are buying euro USD, it means that we are buying euro, which is euro, and we are selling dollars. But if we are selling euro, it means that we are buying what? we are buying dollars. Don't mix it, please. Don't mix it. If we are buying this particular pair, which is Euro USD, it means that we are buying Euro and we are selling dollars. But if we are selling Euro, we are what? We are buying dollars. The same with our Euro AUD. The same with this. The same with this also. The same with this. You see, with this now, you will never look at the forex code the same way again. Why? Because you have understand it. Don't forget how to calculate pips. It's very easy. I just show you how to calculate pips now. You can make 100 pips, 1000 pips, 50 pips. You understand? I just show you how to calculate it. And it's as simple as that. Okay, let me show you again how to calculate. Now, if for example, you sold from here and you ended here, let's calculate the pips. Let's calculate the pips, which means let's say you sold from this particular region and then you are now in this particular region. Let's calculate it and see. That's 15280. 15280. Look at it. 15280 minus 15052. 15052. That means you have gotten 228 pips. That is 228 pips. You have gotten 228 pips in one trade. 228 pips. That's big money. That's big money. That's big money. Now it's very clear for you now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this help simplify forex. I remain Mr. Joshua. See you in the next video, and I tell you the next video will be exciting because I'll be teaching you how you can master trend analysis. Mastering trend analysis. Trade with the market, not against the market. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.